unlock your educational journey, and officially represent your participation in Gemini programs with a custom-designed student ID card. Step 1. Conceptualize your design. Think about what makes your Gemini-related event or program unique. Consider a color scheme that aligns with Gemini's branding. Perhaps soft blues and purples, or bright, energetic colors. If it's a vibrant workshop, incorporate the Gemini logo prominently. But ensure it doesn't overpower your personal information. Step 2. Gather your essential data. Each card will need a unique student identifier. This could be an enrollment number or a simple sequential ID. You'll also need the student's full name and a clear, professional photograph. Think about whether you'll add the name of the specific Gemini program or event they're attending. Step 3. Choose your printing method for a professional and durable finish. Consider local or online printing services that specialize in ID cards if you're on a tighter budget or making a few cards. You can design and print them on sturdy cardstock using a good quality desktop printer, followed by lamination for protection and longevity. Step 4. Finalize and print. Once your design is perfect and you have all the necessary student information, it's time to bring it to life. Ensure all text is legible and the photo is clear. A secure element, like a subtle holographic effect or a QR code linking to program details, can add an extra layer of professionalism and functionality, making your Gemini student ID a true representation of your engagement.